Hi guys, I'm Chef Avi and in this episode of Avi's Kitchen, I'll be making American vegetable chop suey. Every country is inspired by Chinese food, like Indians have Indo-Chinese food, Americans have American Chinese food, and that's where American chop suey comes from. It's not really spicy, it's on the sweetest side. It's super easy to make and it requires very few ingredients which you might already have in your pantry. These are the ingredients I need. I need some boiled noodles, to which I'm gonna add some corn flour. We are going to deep fry this soon. For vegetables, we need some onions. Now these are optional, like you do need green pepper, but yellow and red pepper are optional. Chopped ginger, chopped garlic, baby corn, carrots which I have cut into very thin sticks, ketchup, Szechuan sauce, soy sauce, pinch of sugar. You need some corn flour and water. I'm gonna mix corn flour and water together to make a slurry. You can find all ingredient quantities in YouTube description box below. You need some vinegar. I'm using white vinegar, salt and pepper to season, water to make gravy. And for final touches, I need some chopped coriander leaves. And this is really an optional ingredient. I like to add some pineapple chunks. Some people don't like it at all, you can just leave them out. We'll also need some oil for deep frying. The first step we need to do is deep fry our noodles until they are lightly golden brown. Once the noodles are ready, I'm gonna take them out and place them on a plate with kitchen towel roll to absorb excess oil. I'm gonna fry these noodles in batches. Once the noodles are cooked, we are all set to make our chop suey sauce. But before we begin, we need to make sure that we have everything prepped and right in front of us, because cooking does not take too much time. Like it's in most Chinese food, prepping the food takes almost 80% of your time and cooking just takes 20%, because we do not want to overcook our vegetables anyways, because chop suey is a dish which is really all about textures. Crunchy vegetables, crunchy noodles, nice and tangy sauce. So make sure that you have everything right in front of you and it's all measured, because once you add your vegetables, you should not be looking for your soy sauce or vinegar. Everything should be right in front of you. Is it? Let's get started making our sauce. Add some oil in your wok on high heat and then add in your chopped garlic and chopped ginger. Because it's on high flame, it might burn quickly. So we are just gonna give it a good toss for around 5 to 10 seconds. And then I'm gonna add in my onions. Give it a good mix. Again, just 10 to 15 seconds. And that's when I'm gonna start adding my other vegetables. My peppers, carrots and baby corn. Traditionally, people do add cabbage in their chop suey, but my family and I do not like cabbage that much, so I'm just gonna leave it out, but you can add it in. Season your vegetables with some salt and pepper. Again, give it a good toss. I'm gonna cook this for around 3 to 4 minutes. Then I'm gonna add in my tomato ketchup, my Szechuan sauce, my soy sauce. Mix it all together. I will cook this for another like 3 to 4 minutes maximum. Now is the perfect time to add in our water to make our gravy. You can add in less or more depending on the amount of gravy you want. We like a lot of gravy, so I'm adding 3 cups of water. I'll season it with some sugar, mix it all together and let it come to a simmer. Now it's time to add in our corn flour slurry. Make sure not to add all of it at once. That way you can control the thickness of your sauce. If you like a much thicker sauce than this, you can add some more corn flour slurry. For us, this is perfect. I'm gonna taste it for seasoning. It tastes perfect. I'm gonna switch off the flame and add in my white vinegar and some fresh coriander leaves. Give it a good mix. My chop suey is ready. I'm just gonna plate it in a bowl and serve it with some pineapples. Make sure to serve it hot. Now is my favorite part of the entire video. Taste testing. I'll make sure I'll get some noodles and pineapple. I like pineapple, but you can leave it out if you don't. And happy dance. This has to be the best way to make me eat vegetables. I love this. If you make this recipe, click pictures and tag me on Instagram at Avi's Kitchen. Until then, like this video and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. I'm gonna finish this bowl.